A new feature has been implemented on the forum. This new feature is an audio clip that automatically plays when a user visits the forum webpage. For those who prefer a silent browsing experience, or who are in an environment where sound is not appropriate, the audio can be easily disabled. The process to turn off the audio is straightforward. Look for a speaker icon. This speaker icon is located in the top right corner of the forum page. Clicking on this speaker icon will toggle the audio on or off. When the speaker icon indicates that the audio is muted, the sound will no longer play automatically when the forum is visited. This setting should persist across browsing sessions, so once the audio is disabled, it should remain disabled until the user chooses to enable it again by clicking the speaker icon. The audio feature is intended to provide updates and announcements directly to forum users. However, the option to disable it ensures that all users can customize their experience based on their individual needs and preferences. If you are having trouble locating the speaker icon, it is important to ensure that your web browser is up to date. Older versions of browsers may not display the icon correctly or may have compatibility issues with the forum's new feature. If the issue persists, clearing your browser's cache and cookies may also resolve the problem. In addition, some browser extensions or add-ons may interfere with the functionality of the speaker icon. Try disabling any recently installed extensions to see if that resolves the issue. If you are still experiencing difficulties, the forum support team can provide further assistance. They can be contacted through the forum's contact page or by sending an email to the support address. When contacting the support team, be sure to include information about your web browser, operating system, and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. This will help them to diagnose and resolve the issue more quickly. The audio feature is part of an ongoing effort to improve the user experience on the forum. Feedback from users is always welcome and is used to inform future updates and improvements. If you have any suggestions or comments about the audio feature or any other aspect of the forum, please feel free to share them in the forum's feedback section. The forum is committed to providing a valuable resource for electrical professionals and enthusiasts, and user input is essential to achieving that goal. The ability to disable the audio ensures that the forum remains accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Remember, the speaker icon is your key to controlling the audio experience on the forum. Click it to mute or unmute the sound as needed.